How to find IBAN account number on Bunq. Follow the instructions. Open the Bunq app on your phone. Enter your login details to access the account. Wait for the home page to load. Look for the list of your bank accounts. Choose the specific account you want the IBAN from. Tap to open that account details page. Find the section just below the account name. Notice the IBAN number clearly displayed. Tap on the IBAN if you want to copy it. Use the copy option to save it to clipboard. Tap the share option if you want to send it directly. Select how you want to share the IBAN. If using Bunq web login with your browser, select the account and see the IBAN shown at the top. Thank you for watching.